Mm, 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 mm. Cognac in a glass, trying to figure out how I get here. I guess it's the remix. Mm. Every time I wake up and decide I'm gonna start fucking with these niggas and empty my roster. You post something, you like something, you got a nerve to even leave a comment on another bitch page, and I lose it, baby. I'm sorry I'm mature for all of the things on social media, but I'm immature when it comes to you. You. I'm sorry, I'm mature to deal with these social media, but I'm immature when it comes to you and me. Listen here, I admit I'm forever grateful for you and still in other ways that got me this far. But I like to party sometimes. I like to get it. Sometimes I like to hang with my bitches and just fly. I'm sorry, I'm not sure for this social media, but I'm not mature for us. I'm mature. I'm mature. I'm mature when it comes to me. Hey, I'm mature when it comes to social media, but I'm immature when it comes to you and me. You and me, baby, I'm sorry. I'm mature to deal with this social media, but I'm immature when it comes to you. Babe, I'm so sorry, baby. My mama, that ain't raised me better than this. Swear I'd be better. Yeah.